What's going on? Michael Petty here. So I decided to come back outside again. Nice breeze, partly cloudy, feels good outside. About 73 degrees, I believe it is. And just want to come out here and talk about, how a top earner. You notice that every 2 months, every 3 months, they promoting something new, or every few months, right? They promote something, you get in, boom. They promote another opportunity, you get in, boom. And the reason why they do this is because they're steady making money, because they have a huge team already, or they have a huge list of buyers. So new opportunity come out, and they try to get in at the very beginning, because most companies, before they launch, you can come in for free, build your team. You got over thousands of people on your team, but the question is, when it's time to join, who's going to pay, right? That's the big thing. Who's really going to go all in with this? A lot of people who are big time earners have other big earners on their team, so of course they're going to get in. So those big earners is going to make money regardless, right? And they say, hey, get in because you want to get in the very beginning, blase, blase. So you think it's a good idea, you jump in, but you realize you don't have that following. You don't have that team that's ready to go. So when you build in your residual income, what typically happens is, if you recruit 10 people, and I don't know if the studies are the same, but a long time ago, the studies was the average person recruits about 2 people each. That's the average individual. That's the person who hasn't developed the skill, haven't really worked themselves up to that level. And they say, join this. It's a done for you system. Just focus on getting leads, focus on driving traffic. The system will take over from there. You just promote the system, promote the system, promote the system. And yes, that do work, but only works for a certain amount of time. This is the reason, because people join people. The reason why those big time earners are making the money, because the people that follow them know, like, and trust them. Then you see those individuals using the same strategy that the top earner use, but you have to use what worked for you, different skill set. You may have a top earner to say, build your list, do email marketing. They've been in the game for a while. They know what to say. They know little trigger words and all that. They know the science behind building the business. On top of that, they say, hey, the funnel's created, just get traffic to the funnel. When in all reality, you need to be building your skill, not relying on them. Because here's what happened. The person your prospects see the most is the one that's building that know, like, and trust factor. The person that your prospects is getting to know, getting to like, if it ain't you, it's them. This also what happens. And everybody running traffic to a funnel, to a system, right? You got one trainer, okay? So everybody's seeing this one trainer. The trainer says his or her name. They talk about themselves, what they have accomplished, and all your prospects. And if they have a huge team, all using this done for you system, people are driving traffic to them. So if they make the decision to join another opportunity, all them prospects, yeah, they're on your list, but now they're getting on their list because they looked them up. This is why it's very important to brand yourself every step of the way. You want your prospects to see you as much as possible. You have to be in their face. That's why these top earners build a business, go on to another one, build it, go on to another one. I personally don't like that. That's why I stick with Exitus Elite and Exitus Elite alone. Now, you may hear me talk about tools to use, but I use those tools to promote Exitus Elite. You're going to hear me mention Power Lead System. The page you're looking at right now, I use Power Lead System to build it. Also built the sales page, my copy and paste file, mega swap file that I got from my upline. The 3-generational bonus training, my one-on-one bonus training, is all made through Power Lead System, because Power Lead System is a tool suite. Yes, you can make money, but the powers is using the tools to brand yourself every step of the way. My main opportunity and focus is Exitus Elite, and I'm with them for the long haul. I don't like going from company to company. And the reason is, I promoted other companies that were shut down. And I promoted other systems that got so outdated that people were just leaving left and right. But with Exitus Elite, you don't have to worry about none of that. Because when you make a sale, the money is immediately paid. You don't have to wait a week. You don't have to wait 2 weeks. You don't have to wait a month. It's not paying you once a month, right? You don't have to meet no quotas. You don't have to know your ABCs to get paid. I mean, like the BV, the PV, the CV, all that stuff. You don't have to worry about none of that. You make the decision. How much money do I want to make per sale? Do I want to make 100? Do I want to make 2,000? You position yourself at the level that you want to earn. But I highly suggest you position yourself at the highest level possible so you can get all the money. If you come in at a higher level, someone on your team comes in at the lower level, they sponsor somebody at a higher level, they're still going to make their money, but you're going to make the override. As an example, you at the 1,000 level, your teammate at the 500 level, they make a 1,000 sale. They'll get 5 and the 5 will roll up to you. So that's why it's good to position yourself at the highest possible. The only sale you pass up is one to get qualified. Then at that point, you earn unlimited income at the level you're at. And if you make the decision to upgrade, you're not punished. There's no time limit. Only pay the difference from level to level. So you want to come in at the lower level and slowly make those commissions, upgrade, make those commissions, upgrade, then you can feel free to do that. And you get to pick how you get paid. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Walmart to Walmart, straight cash, the choice is yours. So the simple method our team like to use to building Exodus is simply what I'm doing right now. Telling you how I feel about the business, letting you know a little bit about me, what I'm about, being accessible to people. My contact information is down in the description. And of course, you want to give as much value as possible. It's not about selling. You're sharing information, you're letting people connect with you. And those who resonate with you over time, it may not be immediate, but over time, they will join your business. And it's honestly that simple. Even if you do paid traffic, the same process. You get traffic, you run it through your lead capture page, you start building your list. Same thing. Allow them to get to know you. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. What I mean by know you is not just you sharing information about business. Who are you? What are you about? Do you like to travel? Do you like skating, skateboarding, surfing? What is it? Me personally, I don't have a lot of hobbies. I'm a family man. I love being at home. If I do go out, I'm with my family, with my son, with my wife. And my grandbaby over right now because the mama have to work. And the other grandma can't watch her because having some things she had to take care of. So we're having fun with the grandbaby right now. And that's what it's about for me, just supporting my family. I'm doing Exitus Elite because we all know a job alone isn't going to cut it. You got to have some type of other means of income. So Exitus Elite and being in position to make immediate, instant $2,000 commission. And if you think about it, 2 sales a month at a $2,000 level, that's $48,000 a year. Now, I don't know how much you make on your job, but if you're doing your full-time job, and let's say you make $50,000 a year, you get 2 sales a month in Exitus Elite, you're close to 6-figure income. And people overcomplicate the process. It's very simple. Cut your camera on, let go, connect with people. Be accessible to people. Someone will call you, get on the phone, they message you on Messenger, answer them back. Emails, answer them. Ask people, do you need help? Is there something you want to know? Just connect with people and allow them to connect with you. If you can keep it that simple, you can do this business. If you can run traffic to a system and allow those leads to connect with you, you can do this business. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Just be consistent with your message. Be consistent in your business because you don't want to confuse people. Because me personally, if it ain't 1, 2, 3 simple, ABC easy, I don't like to do it. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find value in what I said, please hit the like button, leave a comment, even subscribe if you like to. But if you want more information about Exitus Elite, when you click the link in the description, you're going to come to this page, enter your email address, and you're literally going to get all the information you need to make a firm decision about doing this business. Once you see those presentations in the page I created, you're going to know if you want to do this business or not. You can contact me if you have any questions, or Exitus Elite has a call center that your prospects can call. Exitus Elite will answer their questions and close the sales for you. If you want to experience that on the next page, call the call center. See what process your prospects will go through so you can just see how simple it is. So if you're on vacation, if you're busy, turn on the call center, let them close your sales. So click that link down in the description to get more information. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.